Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing a haircut in one of the most dangerous parts of Mexico. There's a military right in front of me, check it out. 2 weeks ago, there was a cartel shooting. One of the National Guards here from Mexico got his arm blown off by a 50 cal round. So there's been a lot of tension right here, and I don't even want to speak on it too much, but I'm right here in the state of Jalisco, half an hour away from Michoacan. So if you guys do your research, you know where we're at. Here's the military. What up guys, like I said earlier, I was on my way over here. You guys saw the military trucks pulling up. I'm not lying, I'm not saying this to make better content. We're in one of the most dangerous parts of Mexico right now due to the cartel violence. 2 weeks ago there was a cartel shootout just a couple blocks down the street, and I will show some footage of that shootout.
Esta comida está inconsciente nada más. ¿Por qué le damos 50? 50, mi jefe. Hijo de su puta madre. Esto que me consiguen una tabla. Ahí está.
Un fuerte enfrentamiento se registró este mediodía en el municipio ribereño de Ocotlán, Jalisco. Se encontraron con varias camionetas blindadas, entre ellos un vehículo con blindaje artesanal, por lo que al tratar de impedirles el paso, los tripulantes de los vehículos comenzaron a dispararles, iniciándose el fuerte enfrentamiento y persecución por distintos sectores. Circularon diversos videos a través de las redes sociales, captando el momento de la persecución del vehículo con blindaje, registrándose narcobloqueos en distintos sectores, además de que un segundo enfrentamiento se reportó en el poblado de Vista Hermosa, Michoacán, aproximadamente a 47 kilómetros al oriente de Ocotlán.
So we're out here in Ocotlán. Like I said, we're 30 minutes away from Michoacán, but there's another big cartel over there, and we're surrounded by a lot of mafia right here, you know. I want to give you guys the best content. Now I'm risking my life just, go above and beyond. And right now, we're gonna do a haircut. And if you guys check out the geographical location, you guys know where I'm at, okay? But this is one of the old churches here in town. I think I'm gonna need a little 40 ounce, relax a little bit, because there's a lot of tension right here, right? I'm not trying to sound cool or anything like that, but it's pretty dangerous out here, all right? So I hope you guys like the content. Follow and subscribe. ¿Cómo te lo portas?
Es como una línea.
¿Cómo lo quieres? ¿Con acero? can't find this in the United States. So these barrilitos, I'm gonna enjoy it. And we're celebrating my cousin's wedding tomorrow. So this is a celebration and a toast for their wedding. Make dope content. Cheers, guys. tengo batería para cortarte el pelo, que están unos pesitos para que te los cortes tú ahí en la peluquería, ¿ok?
¿Una cuál?
La que sea. ¿Ok?